Alright, let's be honest with each other. You clicked on this video knowing that you haven't washed your brushes in a while, but that is okay, and that is why I am here to show you how to go from this to this. Alright, so step 1, we'll be using our grapeseed oil. I prefer grapeseed oil or olive oil for this process. Any oil will really work, except for like coconut oil because it's a little too thick. But yeah, grapeseed oil, olive oil work great. Then I'll be taking Dawn dish soap. This is an antibacterial soap. It doesn't have to necessarily be Dawn, this brand, but I prefer to use any type of antibacterial disinfecting soap for this process. Okay, so as you can see here, I just dipped a big fluffy brush into the soap and the oil, and I made sure that I scrubbed it on the cleansing mat until you see there's no more brown left. This just gets really into the hairs and into the grooves of the brush without using your fingers and your hands. This is a really quick and inexpensive way to get your makeup brushes clean, using oil and an antibacterial soap that are fairly inexpensive, as well as a cleansing mat. I don't really know how much it was. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon, which was not that expensive when I bought it. But yeah, you can do this. It's a really relaxing way to clean your makeup brushes and to make sure you don't get any breakouts or clogged pores or anything that is caused by excess makeup and oil. Over time, we tend to have trapped oil, sebum, dirt, and bacteria inside of our makeup brushes. Everything that we put on our face and come in contact with on our hands pretty much goes back on our face when we don't clean our makeup brushes. So these dead skin cells and oil and dirt and bacteria can lead to clogged pores, breakouts, and potentially infections. A lot of times when we have things around our eyes or using eye makeup brushes that we haven't cleaned in a while, they can lead to eye infection. So using the antibacterial soap removes the dirt and the oil while also disinfecting. The oil replenishes the brush hairs while still removing excess makeup that was left over in the brush. Alright, that is all, and I hope that you learned something new and that you'll like and subscribe and come back for more. Thank you!